Hello, hello! Welcome to another problem-solving video with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. I'm Chris, and today we are going to show how Legacy customers are creating custom carved corbels that can't be purchased off the shelf. So let's get started. If a customer approached you with a job that required custom carved corbels, what are the options? There are a few reasons why purchasing a custom corbel design from other suppliers would simply not work. For example, does the supplier offer the corbel design you're looking for? Another, is the corbel available in the right materials? And last, is the corbel even in stock? Legacy CNC customers are bypassing these issues by using the turning center to carve any corbel design. This opens up a lot of opportunities. For example, this corbel prototype took the CNC 2 hours and 24 minutes to complete. During that time, you could have been working on other tasks while the CNC is cutting. Another advantage is the ability to produce the same corbel as many times as you want. And let's not forget that you would now be able to create any custom corbel design you wish. Thank you Alvin Schultz, Terry Jones, Harry Tippett, and Michael Zamarza for sharing your work. You can learn more about Legacy CNC systems in the following ways. To learn about Legacy's product line and see which CNC system is right for you, visit our website at lwmcnc.com. If you have additional questions and would like to request a quote, call Legacy at 801-491-0010. In addition to producing the best problem-solving CNC in the industry, Legacy also teaches online CNC workshops where you can learn how to program and use a Legacy CNC to its maximum potential. You can join our CNC community by calling or by signing up on our website. To watch more problem-solving videos that focus on turning, sheet processing, joinery, molding, 3D carving, wrap carving, inlay, and more, click right over there. Press the like, subscribe, and bell icon to receive notifications when new videos are released. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.